Why do you see chefs tossing the pasta up in the air and mixing it right at the end with the starchy pasta water, also known as the tears of the pasta gods? What does it do? Well, let's see. When it flips into the air and it mixes. See what's happening? It's creating that cream. It's actually tossing about the chemical reaction of love. Everything is mixing together fast, quick, it's shaking. The pasta has to be shaken like a soda that explodes, like champagne, like spumante. I don't know what I'm saying, but you know what I'm talking about. It's that shaking motion, whether you do it with a wooden spoon. You see it in the restaurant, that action of mantecare. The emulsion happens when there is a fast, vigorous shake, just like this. It's like when you read on the label, shake before use. It's the same with pasta. You gotta shake it. It emulsifies, it binds all the ingredients together and it unifies them into a cream that is unparalleled to nothing else. I gotta do this now. Yes! And this is a Pasta Queen service announcement.